Hi, this is my project. So this is my abstract shape.java class, the one that we were given. This is my snowman.java class, where I construct a snowman consisting of 3 ellipses. This is my snowflake. This is where I'm actually creating the panel that's going to be implemented in the graphics runner. This is where I'm creating the tree, and this is where I'm creating my animated clouds. So let's just make sure it works. And yeah, here you go. And just so you know that the snowflakes are randomly generated, I will create another one. As you can see, they're a little bit different, if you wanted to pay attention to that. And yep, that concludes my project.